You and your family have decided to take a cruise. Great. Here's what you need to consider though if you get injured during the course of that cruise. On the cruise ship ticket, there are certain limitations to your legal rights that I'd like to talk to you about today. First of those limitations is a time period in which to bring a lawsuit. Even though your local statute of limitations may provide for a longer period of time, pursuant to that contract that you signed, you are agreeing to a shortened period of time to bring a lawsuit. Number two, there are certain limitations about how much money you can obtain. And number three, there are certain provisions of that contract that actually limit where you can bring that lawsuit. Hi, I'm Brett Zakowski. I'm an attorney here at Parker Waichman. We handle these types of cases, these cruise ship accident cases, every single day. We had a case going back many years ago involving a certain cruise ship incident. During the course of that litigation, it became evident to us, even though that the cruise came from Brooklyn, went to the Caribbean, and went back to Brooklyn, the only place you could bring a lawsuit was California. And it was a big shock to most of our clients. They said, well, this cruise ship had nothing to do with California. It left from New York, it went to the Caribbean, it went to Florida, it went back to New York. And they were perplexed as to why they had to bring a lawsuit in California. Well, on the back of the ticket, it actually provides a provision where you can bring a lawsuit. If your case is not brought in the proper court, your case can actually be dismissed. And you could be looking at a situation where you're not going to get any measure of compensation for your injuries. Why am I telling you this? Because if you were hurt aboard a cruise ship, you have questions, you have concerns. Call me, Brett Zakowski, here at Parker Waichman. We can answer any questions that you have.